She didn't respect me. I was always chasing. And then she ended up cheating on me with my best friend uncle-in-law, Derek. Lads, you don't want to be on the weaker side of a power dynamic in a relationship. Ultimately, you want to wear the pants. And if you're finding that you're not wearing the pants, she won't respect you. She won't be as attracted to you. She'll always be looking at other men to a certain degree because you don't have that masculine edge that she seeks to guide her and make decisions for her and make her life easier. So she won't respect you. You'll be chasing her like a fool. And if you're always the one chasing and you're sacrificing your boundaries in an attempt to like keep your woman because you're scared of losing her, then you need to watch this video to put an end to this sort of cycle of behavior. And then you can become that masculine pillar in your relationship, right? Because I've been the masculine pillar in pretty much all of my relationships. So you want to hold the power dynamic. You want to hold the baton in the relationship. You are the man after all. This video is targeted at men. You want to hold the power in the relationship. And this is not to a point where you are abusing someone else with your power. Of course not. But the dynamic biologically has to be this way because of our masculine essence. This is biology, my friends. This is evolution. This is hundreds of thousands of years of nature. Let's not try and deny it. Let's not try and put our own spin to it. And don't give me no new woke agenda. Yeah, but you're supposed to share equal power with the woman in today's day and age. No, you're not. You're not supposed to share equal power. You're the masculine man. You're supposed to hold the power. Okay? Otherwise, you'll notice that she just won't respect you. If she's got the power in the relationship, she won't listen to you as much. She won't be as submissive. You want your woman to be submissive to a degree. You don't want her to be completely submissive, but you want her to be submissive. You want your woman to listen to you. When you say something, she listens and she takes action. She's not like, oh, whatever. I'm the breadwinner, or, you're just lazy anyway. And you get those sort of comments, then you're on the back foot and you're on the weaker side of the power dynamic. The idea is to get you on the strong side and to teach you masculine essence and what that actually is. So let me give you a funny example of a situation I was in at a party once. And I was with this girl who I quite liked and I was dating, and she loved to be the center of attention. And do you know what she did at parties when I went to cool parties? You know what she actually did? This is hilarious. She would get on the shoulders of other men when I was like grabbing a drink or like off talking to someone else. And then I look over and some guy's like put her on his shoulders. I was like, what? I found it absurd. I was pissed. Didn't just do it once. Did it a couple of times actually. And I didn't like that. That's not for me. Someone that I'm dating or my woman is not going to get on another man's shoulders. What the hell is the point of that? I knew from that point it was a red flag because she was seeking attention. She was an attention seeker and she would get on 2 or 3 different guys' shoulders, making me look like a complete fool in that instance. Now, she wasn't my girlfriend, thank God, but she was someone that I quite liked and was dating at the time and was just going with the flow and seeing how it goes. And then the red flag comes up. Now, what did I do at a later stage? I took her to the side and had a chat with her at the end of the night, actually. And I said to her, I had a conversation. And I said to her, look, I find it disrespectful that your private parts were on someone's head on 3 different occasions. I feel like you were seeking a hell of a lot of attention this evening. And I think it makes it look disrespectful and it makes me not feel like a man. It makes me feel small. And that crosses my boundaries. And I don't like that. And her tone completely changed. Sorry, I didn't realize that, blah, 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 blah. She gave me all this chat and she just apologized. So she went on the back foot and I regained the power dynamic. After that, I ended up moving on anyway because I knew that she was an attention seeker. But I still won the power dynamic back by assertively communicating and setting boundaries and respecting my own boundaries. And you ought to do the same. Be assertive with your communication. Say it how it is. Don't be disrespected. respect your boundaries and tell her where she has stepped on your boundaries. And if she steps over them too many times, then you walk away. That's how to gain the power dynamic. That's how to respect your boundaries. That's how you get the respect out of your woman and women that you like and other women that you're dating.